Anfänger eher hinten, Philipp eher vorne. Brauchst du gar nicht hinten hinstellen. Bleib vorne. Hier, eine Reihe. Okay, good. Okay. So first we start with the 𝐸𝐲 exercise. Most important part in the cold season is that the knees warm up. Okay, so the 𝐸𝐲 exercise basically is like this. We stand like this and we turn the knee inside the other knee. The knee inside don't touch the ground. Okay. We try this slowly and turn each side. 下步，预备，一 ，upper body stay straight. Knie ins Knie rein, yes. Sehr gut, ja. Sit on the heel, okay? Sit on the heel, try relax. 二 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 3 2 3 durchhalten 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Now stay down, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try not to touch the ground. Relax, yes, stay. And we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, geht es um die Feinspannung, ne? Sehr wichtig für die Hüfte. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So. Versuchen ohne Anhalten. Probieren die Spannung zu halten. Try to hold the tension. This is a very important exercise. Get control of the vibration and control the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wo? The knee don't touch the ground. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which round do we have?
I think so.
So? Wu we have already, yeah? Clear? Yes. 6, I think. Relax the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Qi. Zehn, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bar. Sehr gut. Durchhalten. Try focus. Ja. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Qiu. Try upper body straight. Last one, focus. Second. Ja. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Qiu. Zehn, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sure. Last one, focus. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Und relax. Okay, relax. We go Pubu. Pubu posture. Try connect the upper leg with the lower leg and our body straight. Yes. And on command we change. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.马步 relax. And slowly go up. Okay. Good, we do split stretching. Split, Spagat. Bei. Die Sohlen bleiben unten am Boden. Wie bei. Prepare. Split. Yes. Fersen nach außen, the heels outside. Andersrum. Fersen raus. Ja. Sehr gut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Hüfte auslockern. Relax, hip. And again. Hüppe. So. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Hüfte auslockern, relax hip. And last one. Übrig. So, split. I, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay. Now, next round, we go split again, but every time we change the direction. So we change to front split, wide split, front split, okay? So again, goodbye, split. Go, goodbye. Split position. Yes, you go split, and now, turn left. Links, Rico, nicht rechts. Alina links, linke zuerst. Front split, yes. Straight leg. Straight leg, hinterer Fuß gerade. Andersrum, ja. Ja. Den Rist raus. Rist raus. Den Rist nach hinten. Ja. Hier, ja. Genau. R, go back to center. Split, yeah. So, turn the hip need this moving, okay? The hip needs three-dimensional moving. Yes, gerade. Straight, back leg, yeah? Straight, here push. Yeah? So, center. Don't go higher, stay same high. Woo. Turn hip. Back leg straight. Back leg straight. Yeah. Come on. Back leg straight. Yeah. Woo. Turn center. Left. Change. G. Center. Ba. 𝐸 是 2 3 schneller weg 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and relax, okay? Relax. Relax the hip, okay? Relax hip. Okay. If you want to drink something, now is the time to drink something. Then we start with the Mabo Songchen. 2 Minuten trinken, wer braucht.